In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link your PayPal account to your bank account in just 5 minutes. This simple process will enable you to seamlessly transfer funds between your PayPal and bank accounts, making your financial transactions smoother and more convenient. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the PayPal homepage. You can do this simply by searching for PayPal or typing in www.paypal.com in your address bar. Once you are on the homepage, locate and click on the login button in the upper right hand corner. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials, so go ahead and enter your email address and password that you use for PayPal. After entering your details, click on the login button once more to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your PayPal account's homepage. From here, look for the wallet option, which is typically displayed at the top or side of the page, and click on it. The wallet section is your hub for managing connected banks and cards, and it's where you'll link your bank account. In your wallet, locate the option that says link a card or bank. Click on this option, and then you'll see further prompts. You'll want to choose link a bank account since this is what we're focusing on today. Next, you'll need to enter some information about your bank account to get everything set up correctly. Begin by entering your bank's name, followed by the bank code. If you're unsure about your bank code, it's a good idea to check with your bank beforehand, or visit their website to obtain the necessary information. After you've entered the bank name and code, it's time to input your bank account number. Double check to make sure all your bank details are correct to avoid any issues with linking. Now, with all your information added, go ahead and click on Link Your Bank. At this point, PayPal will guide you through a few prompts to verify and complete the linking process. Follow any additional instructions provided to confirm your bank account successfully. This might involve verifying small deposits made into your account or other specific steps outlined by PayPal. Once you've completed the prompts, your PayPal account will be linked to your bank account, allowing you to transfer money between the two seamlessly. Congratulations, you're all set. You can now enjoy the convenience of managing your finances with just a few clicks. Thank you for tuning in today. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, please remember to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Feel free to ask any questions you might have in the comments below. Until next time, next.